So we're on Highway 2, headed towards Leavenworth, Washington. I think we're in Monroe right now. And we're going up there for the Leavenworth cruise. I'm a little late to the party, but I brought my buddy Bigsby with me. I got him buckled up, safety first. We're gonna go meet up with a bunch of cool European cars. Hopefully see some of our BMW brothers up there. And yeah, get some good photos, drink some German beer, and yeah, just have a good time. One of my main goals going to this Leavenworth cruise and car meet is to try to make some more friends in Seattle, especially in the car community. I moved to Seattle from Texas in 2020 and really immersed myself into my job and getting settled to the area, exploring the state with my wife. First, it's pretty exciting, but then as things start to settle down, you really need to try to rebuild a new community, and so I'm hoping I can find that in with the car scene here. That's why I'm kind of trying to get involved in more races and really just trying to put myself out there to make friends. Luckily, this trip wasn't totally gloomy. As we got closer to Leavenworth, the weather started to clear up. We got some nice sunny skies, great driving roads up here, and we're about 30 minutes out from the town at this point, so we're getting close to the meet.
Alright, so we're leaving Leavenworth now. I got some good pictures on the camera, the film camera, but not a lot of videos on my phone. It was a pretty good turnout of people, but nothing too crazy, so now we're just headed back home.
Unfortunately, I wasn't successful at my goal, but sometimes the point is just getting out there and trying something. You're not always going to be 100% successful with everything that you do in life, but putting in the effort shows that you care and gets you that much closer to your goal. Despite not making any friends, I was able to cruise behind two really cool BMW E30s. Personally, they're one of my favorite BMW cars ever, and I would really like to have one in the future.